was really interested in working at Heymat because it was a software that I had used in my own schooling. I learned a lot working under two Cambridge University grad students who are math grad students, and they taught me about how to approach problem solving, how to think. They taught me a lot about script writing and a lot of other elements. So all of these elements helped me immensely. So that was really important as I entered high school, because when I worked on my own independent projects in high school, club activities, and even in just generally in class, I was always going back to what they were telling me about how to approach problem solving in a clear, methodical manner, follow steps and a process. More importantly, what Heymat taught me was it continued to develop my love for math and my passion for learning. It helped build a strong college application. My internship at Heymat was very, very fruitful, and it's something that many high school students can benefit from.